We are glad to welcome you on the Hard Reset YouTube channel, and in today's video I will show how you can adjust the pan tilt motor's rotation speed in this EUFY Indoor Cam 2K pan and tilt. So to start, you will need to launch the EUFY security app, then launch your camera settings, go into pan tilt settings, and here you can change the rotate speed anywhere between slow and fast, as you can see. Let me show how the slow speed looks like, just like so. And that's how the fastest motor speed will look like. As you can see, they are quite different in terms of the motor sensitivity to your inputs. That's what you change, obviously. Anyway, as far as this video goes, that'll be it, guys. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.